Good morning, this is Seth Nagel with the National Weather Service in San Angelo, Texas, and this is the morning weather briefing for April 15th, 2021. The main concern for today is going to be the chance for severe thunderstorms to develop later this morning into the afternoon hours. We do have an upper level impulse that's going to move through the area, a couple as a matter of fact. They're going to combine with some instability that's above the surface layer that's rather cool and stable at this point, but there is some instability above that layer, and we'll have enough other factors combining to give the area a chance for severe weather. And we're looking at the area in yellow there with the highest probability for seeing severe thunderstorms later this morning into the afternoon hours. And we could see some fairly large hail. Hail up to the size of tennis balls will be possible with the strongest storms. And for that hail, we're looking at areas mainly south of, say, Barnhart to San Angelo to San Saba line. That's the main area of concern for the largest hail. So areas south of the Barnhart to San Angelo to San Saba line. And that will be the main concern, is the hail. Although we can't rule out maybe a wind gust over 60 miles an hour as well with some of these storms. Otherwise, we're looking at another cool day, cooler than normal, with showers and thunderstorms developing later this morning, continuing into the afternoon and evening hours across much of the area. Highs ranging from around 60 north of Interstate 20 to the mid-60s through the central portions of our forecast area and to near 70 along the I-10 corridor. But before we do get to that, we will see we've got quite a bit of fog out there this morning. No dense fog at this time, but we do have some areas where visibilities have been reduced to less than 2 miles. And this could make driving a little bit hazardous this morning, so urging all drivers out there this morning to use your low beams and maybe try to save a little extra time, maybe leave a little early for wherever your destination is this morning, and just drive safely. For the rest of the forecast, after today's rain chances, it looks like we should be drying out for the most part. We'll see one more shot at rain and thunderstorms Friday, mainly during the morning hours, where we have a 20 to 30% chance for the eastern half of the area of showers and thunderstorms. Should see that precipitation moving off to the east by the mid-afternoon hours on Friday. And we'll see warmer temperatures as well as we clear out for the afternoon hours. See highs getting into the 70s to mid-80s for areas along the Interstate 10 corridor. But following that, we still have that cold front coming in Friday afternoon into Friday night, which will make for much cooler conditions on Saturday with highs in the upper 50s to low 60s. There is still a 20% chance, but mainly for areas far south. Generally over the weekend and into Monday, the rain chances will be confined to areas south of a Sterling City to Mertzen to Mason line. And we should see, if we see anything, it'll be mainly showery activity. But that's going to be 20% or less for those areas. And once we have those really cool temperatures Saturday from the upper 50s to low 60s, could see some upper 30s, maybe even mid 30s for far northern areas Sunday morning. But then after that, we'll see temperatures warm steadily into the middle of next week, highs getting into the low to mid 60s Sunday, warming into the 70s by Tuesday for most areas, as we also see conditions drying out and likely mostly sunny skies by Tuesday. That is the morning weather briefing for this Thursday morning, April 15th. One last check. Everyone make sure you keep an eye to the sky today. There is a chance for severe weather in those areas, mainly in the yellow, and especially for areas south of Barnhart to San Angelo to San Saba line. That is the briefing for this morning. Please check back tomorrow morning for an updated briefing. Thanks.